everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 11th to the 15th of July 2022 on Monday. Pamela doesn't know what to do about the men in her life, but she knows she must do something. Fikile tries without success to get info out of her men. Philani crosses path with Mbali and is thrown by how she reacts on Tuesday. It's an awkward affair as two teenage girls try to rekindle their relationship. A mother witnesses an interaction which makes her blood run cold. Mazwi unwittingly makes his woman even more suspicious of him on Wednesday. Kabisi overhears something he shouldn't have. Cosmo has to be the voice of reason when emotions start running high. Is Leletu lying to himself about his true feelings on Thursday? Lucy makes a startling discovery and rushes out in a panic. The Morocco elder is floored by the Morocco heir's ultimatum. An unexpected proposal leaves Pamela floored on Friday. Nkosi Yabo elicits even more resentment when he proves to be the bigger man. How to help a distressed teenager without pushing them away? Pele refuses to settle for a sudden when there are bigger fish to be caught. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.